What up, peeps? Welcome back to the next video. And this video we're actually going to be replacing our belt and tensioner on my Nissan Titan. And you can also do this on a Armada from, I want to say, from 04 all the way to 15. This should all still be the same, but I'm going to show you the tools and the parts that you're going to need for this job. Obviously the belt and tensioner, but this is all you're going to need. Honestly, this is what I have. It's a 3/8 ratchet with the 14, and that's what you're gonna need to put on the belt, on the pulley, to retract it so you can get the belt off. And then you got your 10mm socket, which you're gonna use to get the tensioner off, and the some extensions and a screwdriver, and of course your light. But you don't need nothing fancy. But like I said, we're gonna get that done today, so let's get right to it. All right, peeps, so before we go ahead and start taking stuff apart, I just want to show y'all a quick rundown on what exactly we're going to do to make this job a lot easier. So we're going to take this engine cover off, along with this intake pipe, and there's 2 flatheads in each end, so you can see. And then from there, you're going to locate your tensioner, which is literally right above the alternator, right there. And then that's where you're going to stick your 14mm to retract the tensioner and get your belt off. And yep, so let's get right into that install. Alright guys, I did forget to mention you actually do need pliers. I completely forgot. The 2 hoses that run, the 2 vacuum hoses that run to the intake pipe had to be removed. So you can see I got this one off, and I just didn't feel like pulling that one off because I literally had to give my hand. But she came out, and now we can just go ahead and start going and tackling that tensioner, since we got all this space. Alright, peeps, so I know I said the tensioner was a 10, but it's actually a 12. I should have double checked, but yeah, it's a 12, so you're definitely gonna need some extensions. And yeah, this is what I have. So yeah, let's get that tensioner out of there. Bam, just like that, guys, we got this whole tensioner off. And I mean, it doesn't look pretty bad, it just looks used up, but it was making some ticking sounds, so I just might as well replace it. But yeah, whoops, now down for the new one. looks like that, guys. New tensioner is on. And one thing I do advise y'all should do before taking the belt off is just take a picture of it, just that way you would at least know how to do it. If not, you can just easily look it up on the internet and it should come up. But now we're gonna go ahead and install that belt. Alright peeps, you can see the new belt is already installed. It was kind of hard, a little bit hard, just because that new tensioner had a lot of tension on it, but now man, this thing is pretty sturdy, which is what you want. But yeah, now it's just button her up and get her started, and yeah, let's get right to that. Well, there y'all have it. We got the new belt and tensioner in, and she's purring like a dream. But I hope y'all learned something in today's video, and maybe I could do this in y'all's car. And like I said, you could do these on 04 to 15 on Nissan Titan and Armadas, because they're basically all the same. But yeah, thank you for watching, and catch you in the next one. Peace out.